Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to take my brother-in-law on a bike up to Lookout Mountain, one of my favorite spots around here in Golden, Colorado. This bike is around 26.5 miles with a little over 2,800 feet of vert, and it's a really popular bike. I've actually done this one a few times on this channel now, but now that the future brother-in-law is going to enjoy me, we're just going to enjoy it that much more. Can't wait to get this one going for you guys. Let's have a day. Here we go. Just past the Winnie Saddle Lookout. I got a couple more switchbacks and maybe about a mile to go. Ron's crushing it. Almost to the top of Lookout. How you feel, brother?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Getting it. Just made it to the top of Lookout. Ron's first time up here. Got some pretty sweet views. And our legs are crushed. Definitely well worth it. So we're just taking in some views up at the top of Lookout right now. Then we're gonna head back down. Luckily it's all downhill from here, so our legs will be saved a little bit. All right guys, we're just wrapping up at the top of Lookout. Ron's first time up here, which I'm super pumped about. He crushed it. And now we're gonna enjoy some long downhills on the way back. But just wanna thank my future brother-in-law for coming with me on this ride and getting me outside once again this year. Just wanna thank all you guys for watching and hope to see you OOT in a boot. We'll see you next time.